Jai Srimanarayana. 21st sloka of 17th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yettu pratyupakarardham phalam उद्दिश्य वा पुनः दीयते च परिक्लिष्टं तद्राजसं उदाहृतम् ओम। Do not give useless things and inauspicious things as gift, and do not expect any return when you do any charity, and do not do charity with sadness and bad thoughts in your mind. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not give useless things and inauspicious things as a gift to anyone. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall not expect returns when I do charity. Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Om haraye namaha. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 353rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma, along with Balarama and other friends, while gazing all the cows, they almost went far away from Vrindavanam. It was so hot sun. In that forest, all the trees, just like an umbrella, they are giving shade to these Gopalas. Paramatma, Krishna Paramatma has noticed that. Now he is saying to his friends like this, "Oh my dear Stoka Krishna, Amsa, Sridama, Subala, Visala, Vrishabha, look at those trees. Pasyata etan mahabhagan, parardha ekanta jivitan." These trees dedicating their life only for the sake of others' well-being. And these trees, they are enduring wind and rain, hot sun, snow, and they are protecting all of us from those things. All these trees are giving everything that all the living entities wants, needs. Aho yesham varam janma. These trees' life is such a greatest life. Sujanasyeva yesham. These trees' nature is like great-hearted people's nature. అపకారంబులు చేయవెవ్వరికిని ఉపకారంబులు చేయునర్ధులకున్ ఈ ఉర్వీజముల్ కంటిరే. These trees never does any harm to anyone and never interferes in anyone's life. They give us leaves, flowers, fruits, shade, wood, and fragrances. So many things these trees gives. Oh my dear friends, while taking these trees as an inspiration, everyone supposed to be doing their activities by which that will bestow welfare to the world. Like that, Sri Krishna Paramatma sharing his opinion with his friends. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Haraye Namaha. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarasitravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 17th chapter, 21st sloka. Yettu pratyupakarardham phalamuddisya va punaha diyate cha pariklishtam taddanam rajasam smrutam. Yettu pratyupakarardham phalamuddisya va punaha diyate cha pariklishtam taddanam rajasam smrutam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.